Managing your ad budget effectively requires you to be methodical and proactive. Begin each week by reviewing key performance indicators that reveal how your ads are resonating with your audience. Look closely at engagement rates and click-through ratios to discern which ads are performing well and which are not. If you observe notable trends or spikes in these metrics, use that information to adjust your budget accordingly. It's essential to allocate resources to the ads providing the greatest returns while scaling back on those that are underperforming. These adjustments will support your overarching strategy and improve your overall campaign effectiveness. Each week brings new insights. Make it a routine to analyze this data so that you can remain agile in your approach. Moreover, balance your focus between short-term gains and long-term vision to help secure lasting success for your campaigns and enhance your return on investment. Keep in mind that experimentation is crucial for finding the optimal combination of visuals and messages that resonate with your audience. Consider implementing A/B testing to compare different creatives against one another, allowing you to uncover which variations lead to higher engagement and improved conversion rates. Dedicate a segment of your daily budget to these tests, ensuring you're not only playing it safe with established ads but also exploring new avenues for success. Embrace a mindset of innovation as you uncover winning combinations that capture attention and encourage action. Regularly assessing this data fosters a deeper understanding of your audience's preferences and habits, paving the way for more effective ad strategies. Ultimately, this cycle of testing and reviewing will enhance your overall campaign performance, ensuring every marketing dollar is invested wisely. Additionally, frequent check-ins with your budget will help you quickly pivot when necessary, allocating funding towards better performing ads which will drive increased ROI. Your goal is to create a dynamic advertising ecosystem that evolves with your audience and market realities, consistently delivering impactful results. To further enhance your strategy, it's crucial to focus on audience engagement and behavior trends. By analyzing when your target demographic is most active, you'll be able to time your ads to coincide with peak engagement periods. This precise timing can greatly amplify your message's impact, maximizing your budget's effectiveness. Understanding your audience's habits allows you to tailor your ad delivery intelligently, ensuring that your campaigns reach them when they're most receptive. Consider implementing day-parting strategies, effectively segmenting ad delivery based on various time frames. This tactical approach positions your advertising efforts for optimal visibility and higher conversion potential. Ultimately, the more accurately you can align your ads with consumer behavior, the greater the likelihood of achieving significant campaign success and broader recognition of your brand. Furthermore, as you adopt these day-parting strategies, keep monitoring audience behavior to ensure alignment with ongoing market trends. Regularly track engagement metrics to see if adjustments in your ad delivery are yielding the desired results. This combination of timing and targeted outreach can significantly enhance your advertising efforts, allowing you to not only reach your audience but also engage them effectively. In addition, consider refreshing your ad creatives periodically to avoid viewer fatigue. New visuals and messages can capture attention and spark renewed interest in your campaigns. Keep iterating on your content based on real-time feedback, which will further enhance your ability to resonate with your audience's evolving preferences. Balancing innovative approaches with data-driven decisions ensures that your advertising strategies remain dynamic and compelling. Every tweak you make can bring you closer to maximizing your return on investment, ultimately driving sustained growth and success for your business. With each effort, you solidify your position in the competitive landscape, creating a lasting impression that echoes across your audience. Regular evaluations of your strategy will also involve assessing your messaging. As market dynamics shift, adapt your communication to align with the current interests and needs of your audience. Adjusting your tone, language, and offers can significantly influence how relevant your ads feel, fostering a stronger connection with potential customers. Stay vigilant in tracking your ads' performance metrics. By meticulously implementing these strategies, you position your campaigns for success, ensuring that every dollar spent contributes meaningfully to your growth objectives. Remember, maintaining adaptability while fostering creativity among your team will lead to innovative solutions and compelling ad content. Commit to a continuous evolution of your advertising tactics, and watch your brand thrive in an ever-changing marketplace.